C Red remix.
You got it. Yeah.
Can't keep up.
I see red, that's boys out, grenade, trigger, pull fire. I'ma keep going even if they do retire. Simple nigga with a few desires. Bad bitches, only a few I admire. Smoke only fuels my fire. Hot drugs, I put fuel on my tires. Override the beat, oversee the real streets. Yeah, knowing that it's me kicking in the door. Never gave a fuck about a hoe. And I got a lick to hit, got a bitch to fuck. Yeah, she got as hell, told her to get my dick sucked. I really don't give no fucks. I came up, so you know I'm about to turn up. Sushi burnt up, so you know I'm high. Fucking your bitch and she know I'm why. Yeah, nigga, I ain't never quit. Yeah, nigga, I'm on to get it. Shawty bad, she know she with it. Yeah, hoping that she stay committed. Hoping that she don't cheat. I keep it real when it's in the streets. When it's over these beats, by the killer, you already know it's a murder. Fucking your bitch, make her call. Yeah, back, nigga, come back full circle. Yeah, nigga, going hard. Yeah, like Celia, yeah, I'm smoking color purple. Fucking all these bitches hating on me. I don't give no fucks, homie.
Make me see red. When I see red, everything dead. Make the blood shed, too much blood on your hands and your head. That you'd rather see the lead. You're gonna tell me you fucked up and didn't take your meds. It don't matter what you done or what you said. Real superpower make me see red. Turn the seas red. Head bust like you just got shredder. Big must if it's trust, and we know you call the feds. Leave you extra dead at the roadside, jumping on your neck for some road rage. Cause you got a meathead, flex your bicep. Already see red, punch your face with more reps. Starfish on the steps without a stretch. Pull out your jugular before you take a breath while my kids watching. That still be more acceptable than watching Lil Nas X kill the devil. More beneficial.
You are not tuned in to Quarantine Bob's Radio.